Ville Inn is nestled in the heart of Davis and offers a quiet retreat for couples. Like the owners say, it's a place to renew, reconnect, and refocus.
We want every guest to come here feel that they were renewed, body and soul, and they reconnect with themselves, with God the Creator, and with one another, and then they'll leave feeling refocused. It will be time of reflection and renew, and so that they can focus on what is really priority and what's really important for them.
Each suite is well appointed and decorated in its own unique theme, comfortable and inviting, luxurious and beautiful down to the smallest detail. And each suite features a spa bath with a walk-in shower, designed to help every guest relax and even feel a little spoiled.
I call myself a space curator. I love to curate space that is conducive to the holistic well-being of our guests, body, soul, and the spirit. So you'll see a lot of intriguing artworks, inspirational books, and even the room is curated with the idea that you will be able to just truly get away without taking a long trip. And you will be a world away to just focus on renew, reconnect, and refocus.
Each of the rooms are spacious and feature a king-size bed, but they're also
Cozy and comfortable.
It's very easy to relax and enjoy the quiet.
Traditional bed and breakfast focus on the romantic getaway, but this is not. It has a B&B style, but it's more of a unique boutique hotel. So it attracts business travelers as well as vacationers and romantic getaway type of excursions.
A short drive off I-35 in scenic southern Oklahoma, Ville Inn is within minutes of Turner Falls and the beauty of the Arbuckles, and close to the many attractions of Chickasaw Country.
That eclectic experience, because you're going to the outdoors into a rural area, but it also has this unique downtown feel, so I would call it an eclectic experience.
This boutique inn features a great open balcony that overlooks Main Street. Inside, relax in the Living Stream Gallery and enjoy the beautiful works of local artisans. The lobby is also comfortable and inviting and offers space to sit down and relax.
I really want them to come and not just get away, but truly have a quality getaway for themselves and with their significant others. We have literally thousands of reviews or guest memos, and that was actually my primary joy and pride when it comes to running this operation, is to see how people's lives are impacted, and that is more than just P&L and all that, and it makes all the labor of love worth it.
Ville Inn is open year-round and offers convenient self-check-in. In Davis, I'm Tina McGarry, Discovering Oklahoma.